Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the language of the Gemini AI feature in the Google app. If you want to communicate with Gemini in a different language, this guide will walk you through all the steps. So let's get started. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Google app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click on. Then on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option, Settings, and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will also go down to the Gemini option in the drop-down menu and click on it. And then you will go down to the Language option and click on it. The application will open the next page where you can see two options, the first of which is the language used by Gemini and Google Assistant, and the second option that Gemini exclusively uses. We will choose the first option where we will click on the existing language. The next page will open where you will click on the language that already exists. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on the language option, you will open a drop-down menu with the offered languages. It is up to you to decide which of the languages you want to choose and click on it. After you select the language, the changes should take effect immediately. If not, restart the application to make sure that the new language is applied. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change the language for Gemini in the Google application. Now you can enjoy interacting with Gemini in the desired language. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.